my sweet little kids. Children, today we are going to continue our same chapter, that is chapter number 26, adverbs. Children, let us revise again what is an adverb. An adverb is a word that describes a verb, just like adjectives. Adverbs are used to add detail to a sentence. More specifically, adverbs tell us how, when, or where something happened. For example, Rima plays the guitar beautifully. So children, in this sentence, plays is a verb. Beautifully is an adverb. So children, in this example above, the word beautifully describes how she was playing the guitar. So, beautifully is an adverb. What is an adjective? Children, we have already studied about it. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. Yes, in short we can say it says something more about a noun. In other words, it tells us more about a particular person, place or thing. For example, I am in love with this pink cupcake. So children, here pink is an adjective. Adjectives also make it easy to understand which thing you are talking about. Yes, so children, in above sentence we are talking about cupcake. In above example, the word pink describes a particular cupcake. So, pink is an adjective. Now, look at these sentences. Raman is hiding down there under the table. Come over here and look what I found for you, said Sunela. The kite is flying above the tree. So children, the words there, here and above not only add meaning to the verb but also inform us as to where the action is taking place. They are also adverbs. They tell us where actions happen. So children, here, there, here, above, these are also adverbs. Yes, they tell us where actions happened. For example, Raman is hiding down there under the table. So we can ask the question, where Raman is hiding? Yes, so we can say there under the table. Yes. Now read these sentences. I am going to the circus tomorrow. We got an email from the artist yesterday. She is having her dinner now. So children, the words tomorrow, yesterday and now inform us when does the action happen. They are also adverbs. They tell us when actions happen. Read these sentences now. He ran quickly to the post office. Seema plays the flute beautifully. He waited patiently for his turn. The words quickly, beautifully and patiently inform us about how the actions happen. They are also adverbs that tell us how actions are performed. See, underline the adverbs in this sentences. So children, here the question starts with how. Let us see how actions are performed. Yes, so you have to underline the adverbs. First one, she ate the chocolate cake greedily. So here children, in this sentence, verb is ate. And the question starts with how. How did she eat the chocolate cake? Greedily. So greedily is an adverb. Yes. So children, most of the adverbs ends with ly. Yes. So whenever you find ly in the sentence, that will be your adverb. So you have to underline that adverb. Second, Raima plays the flute beautifully. How did Raima plays the flute? Beautifully. So beautifully is an adverb. Third one, she was listening to the teacher carefully. Carefully is an adverb. He is driving the car carelessly. Carelessly is an adverb. Fifth, Ramesh helped me cheerfully. Cheerfully is an adverb. Yes, children, now it is very easy. Yes, to identify the adverbs. So, in the same way, you have to underline the adverbs. Okay. So, remaining questions, try to attempt it. D. Underline the adverbs in these sentences. So, children, now you have to use where when you will ask the questions for finding the adverbs. First one, the table is in there. So children, here, where is the table? There. Yes. So there is an adverb. Second, he built a house nearby. So children, where is the place? Where did he build a house? Nearby. Yes. So nearby is an adverb. Third one, please bring the book here. So here, yes, this is the place where please bring the book here. Fourth one, he fell down and hurt himself. So where did he fell down? Where did he fell? He fell down. So down is an adverb. Fifth one, he walked away with the puppy. Where did he walked with the puppy? He walked away with the puppy. Understood, children? In this way, you have to underline the adverbs. Now, exercise E. Underline the adverbs in these sentences. Children, we will use when for asking questions, for finding the adverbs. First one, we saw that movie last year. When did we saw that movie? Last year. So last year is an adverb. Second, we will have our dance class today. When we will have our dance class? Yes. So answer will be today. So today is an adverb. Third one, the newspaper boy arrived late. When did the newspaper boy arrived? Late. The newspaper boy arrived late. So late is an adverb. Our family will go on vacation soon. When did our family will go on vacation? Soon. Yes. So soon is an adverb. So children, in this way you have to ask the questions that starts with when, and then you have to find the adverbs. Yes, and underline the adverbs in these sentences. Okay, so remaining sentences you have to do it. Okay, children. F. Underline the adverbs in these sentences. Then write in the blanks whether these adverbs tell us how, when or where one has been done for you. Children, you have to underline the adverb and then you have to write how, when or where the actions happened. First one, the teacher asked us not to speak loudly in the school premises. So here speak is a verb, loudly is an adverb, and we will write how because it tells us how or the manner of the action. Second, my old aunt, walked slowly towards the gate. So here verb is walked and adverb is slowly. So we will write how. It tells us how or the manner of the action. My brother can cook well. Well is an adverb. Answer is how because it tells us how. Yes. Fourth one, a bird is sitting outside. Now it is showing some place. Yes. So a bird is sitting outside. So we will write where because it's showing place of the action. Fifth one, the children were sitting in the park nearby. So here also children, nearby is an adverb and it is showing place of the action. Understood children? So in this way you have to write how, when or where the action which they shows. Okay, and then you have to underline the adverbs. G. Fill in the blanks with suitable adverbs from the box given below. First one, my friend is dash on time. My friend is always on time. Second, the cake came out to be dash good. Answer will be surprisingly. The cake came out to be surprisingly good. Third one, I like to eat Chinese food sometimes. Fourth one, during autumn, colorful leaves can be seen falling gently from trees. Fifth one, yesterday I met her by chance. So children, in this way you have to find out the adverbs from the given box and then you have to write in this blanks. Okay. So children, 5 I have done and remaining try to solve it. Now children, it's the homework time. Exercise number C, D, E, F and G. It is given in the page number 82, 83 and 84. Complete the remaining exercises with the good handwriting children. Till then, stay home, stay safe and goodbye.